Alright, traders, what a wild ride on Wall Street today. Big tech led the charge, the Fed dropped some hints, and a few sectors are flashing warning signs. Stick around because I've got the key levels you need to watch before tomorrow's opening bell. Hey everyone, I'm Wall Street Forecasts, full-time trader and market junkie here in the US. If you trade stocks, watch the markets, or just love staying one step ahead, you're in the right place. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump right into today's action. So, April 28, 2025, here's how the big boards finished. S&P 500 climbed 0.8%, closing right above 5,260, snapping a two-day losing streak. Nasdaq. Absolute beast today, up 1.4%, fueled by heavyweight names like Nvidia and Meta. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones was the slow mover, adding just 0.3%, weighed down by weakness in healthcare stocks. Now, the real story today came from the tech sector. Nvidia popped nearly 5% after announcing a new AI chip that, according to early reviews, could widen their lead over competitors. Meta also ripped higher, up 4%, thanks to reports they're rolling out a new subscription model across Europe. Now, let's talk catalysts. Big one today, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index came in way softer than expected, dropping to minus 18.5. That's deep contraction territory, folks. Traders took that as another sign that the Fed might stay dovish longer than previously thought. Speaking of the Fed, Vice Chair Jefferson made some interesting comments, saying the FOMC is prepared to adjust policy if downside risks to growth materialize. Translation: rate cuts are still on the table for later this year, even if inflation's being stubborn. Alright, let's get into the technicals because this is where it gets juicy. S&P 500, we're back above 5,250, which was a big resistance level. If bulls hold it tomorrow, next major target is around 5,310.
Nasdaq 100 just broke out of a mini bull flag. Keep your eyes on 18,050 as the next ceiling. Dow Jones needs to clear 39,000 convincingly to get any real momentum. Right now, it's stuck in a boring chop zone. Also, I'm watching the VIX, it dipped under 13 today, signaling complacency. If volatility spikes tomorrow, it could catch a lot of traders off guard. Sector-wise, it was all about tech and communication services today, both sectors up over 1%. But watch out, energy took a hit, falling nearly 2% as crude oil prices slid back towards $75 a barrel. Unusual volume? Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, saw nearly double its average volume, ahead of earnings tomorrow. Something's brewing there. Tesla TSLA also traded heavy, not necessarily a huge move, but when Tesla volume surges like this, big swings usually follow within a day or two. Alright, so heading into Tuesday, April 29th, here's my personal take. If tech keeps leading, and we see follow-through early in the morning, I think we could see another grind higher toward those technical targets. But, and it's a big but, if economic data keeps weakening, like today's Dallas Fed numbers, expect some profit-taking, especially in the cyclicals and financials. Personally, I'll be lightening up on risk early tomorrow and looking to buy pullbacks, especially in strong tech names like Nvidia and Amazon if the setup's clean. As always, stay nimble, stay smart. This market's rewarding the patient traders, not the YOLO chasers. If you found this recap helpful, hit that thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. And let me know in the comments, are you bullish or cautious heading into tomorrow? I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can tonight. See you guys in the next one. Happy trading!